Hey future ethical hackers! In today's video, I'm giving you a complete step-by-step guide to crack the CEH v13 exam, even if you're starting from zero. Let's break it down together, clear, simple, and beginner-friendly. Let's go! Step 1. Understand the CEH v13 certification. Before you dive in, know what you're signing up for. The Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, v13 teaches you how to think like a hacker, legally and ethically. It covers modern attack techniques, real-world tools, and includes updated topics like cloud hacking, IoT security, and malware analysis. This certification is globally recognized and is often the first big step into cybersecurity careers. Step 2. Build your IT and security basics. You don't need to be a pro, but a foundation in IT is essential. Learn how networks work, IP, ports, protocols. Basics of operating systems, Linux and Windows. Security terms like firewalls, encryption, and VPNs. Use free resources like YouTube, TryHack's pre-security path, or even Google's IT support courses to build this base. Step 3. Choose a study path and follow it. You can self-study or take official training. Either way, make a clear plan. Focus on a solid CEH course, EC Council iLearn, Udemy, or StationX. Hands-on labs using tools like MAP, Metasploit, Burp Suite. Study guides like CEH All-in-One Exam Guide or official EC Council manual. Set weekly goals and stick to them. Consistency beats cramming. Step 4. Practice with real hacking labs. This is where you learn to think and act like a hacker. Don't skip this. Sign up on TryHackMe or Hack the Box. Do challenges on Portswigger Web Security Academy. Use EC Council's iLabs if available. The more you break things in a safe lab, the better you'll perform on the exam and in real-world roles. Step 5. Take practice exams and book the test. Once you've studied and practiced, test yourself. Try mock exams on exam topics, Boson, or Pocket Prep. Identify weak areas and revise them. When you consistently score 80% plus, go ahead and book your exam. The CEH exam is 125 questions in 4 hours. With preparation and confidence, you'll crack it. That's your complete step-by-step roadmap to crack the CEH v13 exam. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and comment "I'm starting CEH" below so I can cheer you on.